Mastering healthy cooking techniques for vibrant living. In the journey towards optimal health and vitality, the kitchen serves as a sacred space where the alchemy of nourishment unfolds. By embracing healthy cooking techniques, we can transform humble ingredients into culinary masterpieces that nourish the body, delight the senses, and elevate the spirit. In this video, we drill into the art and science of healthy cooking, unveiling a repertoire of techniques that honor the integrity of ingredients while maximizing their nutritional value. From gentle steaming to vibrant stir-frying, let us embark on a culinary adventure that celebrates the joy of wholesome eating and the profound connection between food and well-being. Understanding healthy cooking techniques. Healthy cooking techniques prioritize the preservation of nutrients, flavors, and textures while minimizing the use of excessive fats, sugars, and processed ingredients. By choosing cooking methods that retain the natural goodness of foods, we can create delicious meals that support optimal health and vitality. Key principles of healthy cooking techniques include: retaining nutrients. Minimize cooking times and temperatures to preserve heat-sensitive nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Choose gentle cooking methods such as steaming, sautéing, and microwaving over boiling, frying, or deep frying to minimize nutrient loss. Enhancing flavor. Embrace the natural flavors of ingredients by using herbs, spices, aromatics, and flavorful condiments such as citrus juice, vinegar, and miso paste. Experiment with different cooking techniques to develop complex flavors and textures, from caramelization and browning to braising and roasting. Balancing macronutrients. Incorporate a balance of macronutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, into your meals to support energy production, satiety, and overall well-being. Choose lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats such as olive oil, avocado, and nuts to create balanced and satisfying dishes. Minimizing added sugars and fats. Limit the use of added sugars, refined grains, and unhealthy fats in cooking and baking, opting instead for natural sweeteners, whole grains, and plant-based fats. Use moderation when adding oils, butter, and other fats to dishes, focusing on quality and flavor rather than quantity. Explore a wide variety of ingredients, flavors, and culinary traditions to expand your palate and culinary repertoire. Incorporate seasonal produce, local ingredients, and global flavors into your meals to create diverse and exciting culinary experiences. Healthy cooking techniques. Steaming. Steaming is a gentle cooking method that preserves the natural flavors, colors, and nutrients of foods while retaining their moisture and texture. Use a steamer basket, bamboo steamer, or electric steamer to cook vegetables, fish, poultry, and grains quickly and efficiently. Steamed dishes are light, vibrant, and versatile, making them ideal for showcasing the freshness and quality of ingredients. Sautéing. Sautéing involves cooking ingredients in a small amount of oil or fat over medium to high heat, resulting in tender, flavorful dishes with a caramelized exterior. Use a non-stick skillet, griddle or sauté pan to cook vegetables, proteins, and aromatics such as onions, garlic, and ginger. Add fresh herbs, spices, and citrus zest to enhance the flavor of sautéed dishes without the need for excessive salt or added sugars. Roasting. Roasting is a dry heat cooking method that intensifies the natural flavors and textures of ingredients, resulting in rich, savory dishes with crispy exteriors and tender interiors. Use a hot oven, typically 400 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, to roast vegetables, meats, poultry, and seafood on a baking sheet or roasting pan. Experiment with different seasonings, marinades, and glazes to create delicious roasted dishes that are both healthy and satisfying. Grilling. Grilling is a popular outdoor cooking method that imparts smoky, charred flavors to foods while minimizing the need for added fats and oils. Use a gas or charcoal grill to cook vegetables, fruits, meats, and seafood over direct or indirect heat. Marinate ingredients in flavorful sauces, rubs, or dressings before grilling to enhance their flavor and moisture retention. Stir-frying. Stir-frying is a quick and versatile cooking method that involves cooking ingredients in a small amount of oil or fat over high heat in a wok or skillet. Use a combination of fresh vegetables, lean proteins, and aromatic seasonings to create vibrant stir-fried dishes with bold flavors and textures. Cook ingredients quickly and evenly, tossing them continuously to prevent burning and ensure even cooking. Poaching. Poaching is a gentle cooking method that involves simmering ingredients in a flavorful liquid such as water, broth, wine, or juice. Use poaching to cook delicate proteins such as fish, poultry, and eggs, as well as fruits and vegetables. Enhance the flavor of poached dishes with aromatic herbs, spices, and citrus zest, and serve them with a reduction of the cooking liquid as a sauce. Baking. Baking is a versatile cooking method that involves cooking ingredients in an oven using dry heat, resulting in tender, moist dishes with a golden brown crust. Use baking to prepare a wide range of dishes, including bread, cakes, cookies, casseroles, and roasted vegetables. Experiment with different baking temperatures, times, and techniques to achieve the desired texture and flavor in your baked goods. Broiling. Broiling is a high-heat cooking method that involves cooking ingredients under direct heat in a broiler or oven, resulting in caramelization and browning on the surface. Use broiling to cook meats, poultry, seafood, and vegetables quickly and evenly, giving them a crisp exterior and juicy interior. Monitor ingredients closely when broiling to prevent burning and achieve the desired level of doneness. Healthy cooking techniques empower us to create nourishing meals that support our physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. By embracing the principles of nutrient retention, flavor enhancement, and balance, we can transform simple ingredients into culinary delights that nourish the body and nurture the soul. Whether steaming delicate vegetables, roasting savory meats, or stir-frying vibrant stir-fries, let us embark on a culinary journey that celebrates the abundance of nature and the joy of wholesome eating. With mindfulness, creativity, and a spirit of exploration, we can cultivate a lifelong love affair with healthy cooking and savor the delicious rewards of vitality and vitality. If you received value from this video, please like and subscribe to the channel.